Yesterday, we went to the Apple store in the Union Square. We were told that there is a waitlist of 2 months for the new Apple 14 Pro. I thought probably I can write a small bot to check the availability. I started my day with Peet's coffee. I paid using the Apple Pay. You just need to tap iPhone on the pause. I got Havana cappuccino, which is a cinnamon flavored cappuccino. I also got the butter croissant, which was very soft. In America, the highways have a carpool lane, which are dedicated lanes for the cars with more than one passenger. There are overhead sensors which track number of passengers in the car on the carpool lane. If you are a solo traveler, then you are automatically fined. This is the Stanford University area. There is a famous SandHill road here, which is popular for having big venture capitalist offices. Nearby there is a Khosla Ventures, which was founded by Vinod Khosla. He was also the co-founder at Sun Microsystems. Before that, he worked at Intel. It's an inspiring story, you should read about it. All of this is under Stanford University. Before heading into the office, we'll grab the Blue Bottle coffee, which is very popular in Palo Alto.